Now the fourth question of exercise 13.3 is, in answering a question on a multiple choice test, a student either knows the answer or guesses. Let 3/4 be the probability that he knows the answer and 1/4 be the probability that he guesses. Assuming that a student who guesses at the answer will be correct with probability 1/4. What is the probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly? Now, what this question says, there is a multiple choice test. There is a student who either knows the answer or he guesses the answer. If he knows the answer, the probability of knowing the answer is 3/4 and the probability he guesses the answer is 1/4. Now what we assume? We assume that student who guesses at the answer और उसका आंसर करेक्ट हो जाता है, उसकी probability 1/4 है. हमने क्या बताना है? What is the probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly? So this is our question. Let E1 be the event that the student knows the answer. Let E2 be the event that the student guesses the answer. Now you can check, E1 union E1 is sample space and E1 intersection E2 is phi. So E1 हमारा event हो गया कि उसको आंसर आता है and E2 event हो गया कि वो आंसर guess करता है. So probability of E1 is given 3/4 and probability of E2 is given 1/4. Now that is given to us. Let A be the event he answered correctly. हमने A को event ले लिया है, he answers correctly. Now probability of A given E1. Probability of A given E1 means the student answered correctly and the condition is given. What is given? He knows the answer. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट आंसर करेक्टली देता है और उसको आता भी है तो उसकी जो प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी वो 1 होगी कि उसको अच्छे से आता है. ही इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट कि उसको आता है और उसने ठीक से आंसर दे दिया, तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी आपकी 1 आएगी. प्रोबेबिलिटी A गिवन E2. प्रोबेबिलिटी द स्टूडेंट आंसर्ड करेक्टली बट ही गेसेस द आंसर. उसने करेक्ट आंसर तो दे दिया बट उसने गेस किया, तो दिस इज गिवन in our statement, that is 1/4. Now on the next page I am going to find the probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly. Now probability of E1 is 3/4, probability of E2 is 1/4, probability of A given E1 is 1, probability of A given E2 is 1/4. Probability of E1 given A. It means probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly. So probability of E1 given A. Write the formula. Probability of E1, probability of A given E1 upon probability of E1, probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2, probability of A given E2. Substitute the values. And this is a simple calculation. Just do the simple calculation. You will get 12/13. So 12/13. So probability that the student knows the answer and what is given? Given that he answered it correctly is equal to 12/13.